Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. Here I have some guinea fowl eggs. We call this Akwa Ogazi in my language, Igbo language. I'm from Imo State, Nigeria, in case you didn't know. And I'll be making instant egg rolls with this. The eggs are already cooked, so I'll go ahead now, break and peel off the shells. After peeling the eggs, I'll set it aside, then prepare the batter where I'll be dipping the egg before frying it. So here I've added a cup of flour into a bowl. I'll go ahead and also add 2 tablespoons of sugar to it, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. I'll mix together and then add wet ingredients. So for the wet ingredients, I'm adding 1 egg, 1/3 cup of milk, and 1/3 cup of water. I'll then mix thoroughly. After mixing the batter, I'll transfer some of it into a cup where it will be easier for me to dip the egg. I'll be putting the eggs in these skewers, and I'll also be rubbing it in the dry flour. This is just flour, ordinary flour. And I've just put some vegetable oil on the stove to start heating up while we prepare the eggs. So I'll go ahead now and insert the eggs into the skewer, or the skewer into the egg, whichever one. Now the oil is hot enough. Let's begin the frying. The batter was too thick, so I had to add it a tablespoon of water again. Be careful not to burn your hand though. I will not be responsible for that. Fry on medium to low heat until they are all golden brown. And here we have our guinea fowl egg rolls. I tested it and it was so yummy, so delicious. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also share the video. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.